Hi, my name is Jeff Torgerson. I'm a controls engineer for MGS Machine. So this is the case packer called the MatriX SL. So it's a side load case packer that goes up to 30 cases per minute. It has 3 different functions. We set up the case and erect it, we load the product, and then we seal it using tape or glue. So we do 3 case types: tray, a wraparound, and an RSC style case. And this is the first of its type for MGS, and it fills a product gap in Coasia's product portfolio. So the applications are any fast-moving consumer goods. So products like cartons, bake mixes, boxes, flow wraps, pouches, doy packs, anything of that nature. So a very compelling feature of this machine is its small form factor. So machines of this type are typically a lot longer, and we're able to achieve a smaller form factor because of the XTS system. The movers move asynchronously, which allow us to shrink the pitch in between each case. And we're also able to eliminate one of the stations by juggling the mover positions and control it in a way that allows us to save space. So another compelling feature of this machine is the quick changeover time. So the XTS allows us more flexibility to change over to different case sizes quickly from the HMI and from different recipe settings. Customers are typically seeing smaller and smaller batch sizes as there's more personalization for products. So it takes a lot of time to change over those recipes typically. But with automatic changeover and easy change points, this machine allows changeovers to go much more quickly and much more smoothly. So this case packer is about 20 to 30% shorter than other comparable case packers with the case size range. Other features of this machine are plug-and-play technologies. So we utilize the AMP distribution system from Beckhoff. So these are the on-machine distributed drives. It removes panel space from the machine. Our panel is very small on this machine compared to comparable machines and allows easier maintenance for technicians. From our standpoint, it allows a faster build time. Everything's plug and play. We don't have an electrician who's having to terminate so many wires in a panel. Also, the EtherCAT technology allows us to plug and play our I/O and all of our safety. The EtherCAT P I/O also removes the number of cables that are required to connect. So this all saves time with a shortage in labor force and a desire for faster manufacturing times. Beckhoff really helped us throughout this process to transition into the Beckhoff world. Thank you for watching. Check us out at mgsmachine.com. And for more information on the MatriX SL, look under Innovation, MatriX SL. Thank you very much.